Today, we're going to learn how to change the default browser on your iPhone. Whether you're tired of Safari or want to use a different browser for specific tasks, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Before we start, make sure you have the browser you want to use as your default already installed on your iPhone. Tap on the Settings app icon on your home screen. Scroll down and find the app you want to set as your default browser. For example, if you want to use Chrome, look for Chrome. Tap on the browser app to open its settings. Look for the option that says Default Browser App or something similar. Tap on it and select the browser from the list. A confirmation message might appear. Confirm your choice. Let's quickly test it out. I'll search something and see if it opens in my new default browser. And there you have it. Changing your default browser is easy once you know how. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.